Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Barclays to Monzo. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Barclays to Monzo. So the first thing to do is to obtain your Monzo account details. So to get this, you have to open the Monzo app, then tap on the account tab, then note down your sort code and your account number, which is very important because that's what we're going to use to initiate the transfer. So we have to note it down, your sort code and your account number. And once that is noted down, then you have to log into your Barclays online banking. So visit the Barclays website or log in with your credentials. Then after that, you have to navigate to the payment. You have to navigate to the pay and transfer section. So after logging in, select the pay and transfer from the bottom menu. Then after that, you have to choose pay someone new. Then enter your Monzo account details, which is your sort code and also your account number. Then you can also add the reference, which is actually optional. Then after that, you can also enter the payment detail, which is to specify the amount you want to transfer. Then select the date for the payments to be made immediately or future date. Then after that, you have to check all entered details for accuracy, then confirm the payment. Then after that, you have to authorize the payment. Follow the Barclays security prompt to authorize the transaction, and that's how you can simply send money or transfer money from Barclays to Monzo. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.